Hi everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast where you can practice simple, real English for everyday life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us today. Wherever you are right now, at home, on the bus, or taking a short break, we're happy you're here.
In this podcast, we help you learn English in a relaxed way. We use short conversations and easy examples, just like people talk in real life.
And today's topic is a very gentle one. We're going to talk about simple joys.
Simple joys are small things in daily life that make us feel good. They're not big or expensive things, just little moments that bring calm, comfort, or happiness.
For example, drinking a warm cup of coffee, taking a slow walk, sitting quietly, or enjoying a peaceful moment.
In this episode, we'll share our own simple joys and talk about how these small things help us relax and feel better.
You'll also learn useful English phrases to describe feelings and everyday moments. Simple words you can use right away.
And don't forget, you can download a free PDF transcript and practice exercises in the description below.
At the end of this episode, we'll also give you a listening and speaking challenge to help you use what you learn.
All right, take a deep breath, relax,
and let's get started. All right, I'll go first. One of my simple joys is taking a slow walk in the evening. It's not something special or exciting, but it's something I really enjoy.
That sounds very peaceful. When do you usually go for this walk?
I usually go after work, around 6 p.m. At that time, my workday is finished, and my mind is often very full. I've been thinking, talking, and looking at screens all day.
Yes, that's very relatable. So the walk helps you slow down?
Exactly. I walk around my neighborhood. There's a small street near my apartment with trees on both sides and very little traffic. It's not a famous place, but it's quiet and comfortable.
That already sounds like a nice place to relax.
It really is. When I walk there, I don't walk fast. I don't hurry. I just walk slowly and take it easy. I tell myself, there's no rush.
Do you usually listen to music or podcasts?
Sometimes I do, but very often I don't listen to anything. I like the silence. I like hearing simple sounds, my footsteps, the wind in the trees, or a dog barking far away.
That's very calming.
Yes. I also look around while I walk. I look at the sky, the houses, and the lights in the windows. Sometimes the sky is orange or pink. Other times, it's already dark and quiet.
That sounds like a very mindful moment.
It is. I feel the fresh air on my face, and I try to breathe slowly. In that moment, I stop thinking about emails, messages, or tomorrow's tasks.
How long do you usually walk?
Not very long, about 20 or 30 minutes, but that time is enough to help me feel better. When I come home, my body feels lighter, and my mind feels more peaceful.
So it's a small habit, but it makes a big difference.
Yes, exactly. It's a very simple joy. I don't need money, special equipment, or a lot of time. I just need a quiet place and a little space to walk.
That's something many people can do.
I think so too. And the best part is how it makes me feel afterward. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel more ready to enjoy my evening, maybe eat dinner, read a book, or just rest.
I really like that. It's not about doing more, it's about doing less.
That's a good way to say it. For me, this simple walk is a way to reconnect with myself. It reminds me to slow down and enjoy the moment.
That's a beautiful, simple joy.
Thank you. Now it's your turn.
What is one small thing you enjoy in your daily life?
Maybe it's a short walk, a quiet moment, or some fresh air.
Try to write 1-2 sentences using a phrase like, take it easy, enjoy the moment, or feel calm, and share it with us in the comments.
That was really nice, Anna. A slow evening walk sounds simple, but very meaningful. Now it's your turn. What is one of your simple joys?
Okay. One of my simple joys is spending a quiet morning with a warm drink by the window.
That already sounds very cozy. When do you usually do this?
Usually on weekend mornings, especially on Sunday. I wake up without an alarm, so I don't feel rushed. The house is quiet and the day feels slow.
I love mornings like that. What do you do first?
The first thing I do is make a warm drink. Sometimes it's coffee, sometimes tea. I don't make it quickly. I take my time and enjoy the process.
So it's not just the drink, but the moment.
Exactly. Then I take my cup and sit by the window. I have a small chair there, and I really like that spot.
What can you see from the window?
I can see the street, a few trees, and people walking by. Some people are going to work. Others are walking their dogs or buying breakfast.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. I usually sit quietly and enjoy the moment. I don't check my phone right away. I don't open my laptop. I just sit and look outside.
That's a great habit.
Yes, I sip my drink slowly. I feel the warmth in my hands. I listen to the small sounds around me, a car passing, birds singing, or the wind.
How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel calm and comfortable. I feel safe, relaxed, and present. My mind feels clear, not busy.
Do you do anything else during this time?
Sometimes I write a few lines in my notebook. Not long sentences, just small thoughts. Other times, I read a few pages of a book.
And sometimes, you do nothing?
Yes, sometimes I do nothing at all. I just sit there and breathe, and that's enough.
I really like that idea. Doing nothing can be very powerful.
I agree. In our daily life, we often feel we must always be busy, but this quiet time reminds me that it's okay to slow down.
So this is your way to recharge.
Exactly. After this small morning moment, I feel more ready for the day. I feel lighter and more positive.
It's such a simple joy, but it sounds very meaningful.
Yes, it doesn't cost money. I don't need to go anywhere special. I just need time, quiet, and a warm drink.
I think many listeners can relate to this.
I hope so. Simple joys are often already around us. We just need to notice them.
All right, now it's your turn, everyone.
Do you have a quiet moment like this in your day?
Maybe in the morning, the evening, or before sleep?
Try to write 1-2 sentences using a phrase like enjoy the moment, feel calm, or slow down, and share it with us in the comments.
So far, we've talked about a slow evening walk and a quiet morning by the window. But of course, there are many other simple joys people enjoy every day.
That's right. Simple joys can look very different for different people.
For example, some people really enjoy fresh air in the morning. They open the window, take a deep breath, and feel the cool air on their face.
Yes, that small moment can help you wake up and feel more alive.
Another simple joy is drinking a warm drink, like tea, coffee, or hot chocolate.
Especially when it's cold outside. Holding a warm cup in your hands can feel very comforting.
Some people enjoy listening to soft music, not loud music, just something calm in the background.
Music can change how we feel very quickly. It can help us relax after a long day.
Another simple joy is taking a short break and doing nothing.
Yes, just sitting quietly for a few minutes. No phone, no talking, just resting.
That can be very powerful, even if it's only 5 or 10 minutes.
Some people also enjoy watching the world go by, sitting near a window, in a cafe, or on a bench, and just watching people walk past.
You don't need to talk or think, you just observe.
Exactly. It helps you feel present in the moment.
Another simple joy is a friendly message from someone you care about.
A short text like, "How are you?" or "I'm thinking of you," can make your whole day better.
And of course, for many people, being at home is the biggest simple joy.
Sitting on your sofa, wearing comfortable clothes, and feeling safe.
Simple joys don't need to be special or impressive.
They are often quiet, small, and easy to miss.
But when we notice them, they help us slow down and feel better.
And the nice thing is, we can enjoy these moments every day.
You don't need a holiday or a big plan.
Just a small moment that brings calm or comfort.
All right, now it's your turn.
Which simple joy do you enjoy the most?
Is it fresh air, a warm drink, music, or a quiet moment.
Try to write 1-2 sentences using a phrase like simple joy, feel relaxed, or enjoy the moment.
And share it with us in the comments. So Anna, we've talked about many simple joys: walking slowly, enjoying a quiet morning, drinking a warm drink, and taking small breaks.
Yes, they are all very simple things, but they feel very important.
Why do you think simple joys matter so much?
I think they matter because they help us slow down. In daily life, everything feels fast. We rush to work, check our phones, and think about the next task.
That's true. Our minds are often very busy.
Simple joys give us a short break from that busy feeling. They help us pause and breathe.
For me, when I go for my evening walk, I stop thinking about work problems. I focus on what is around me.
Exactly. Simple joys bring us back to the present moment.
And they don't ask for much. We don't need a lot of time or money.
Yes, that's very important. Many people think happiness comes from big things, a new job, a big trip, or buying something new.
But those things don't happen every day.
Right. Simple joys are different. They are always there, if we notice them.
I also think simple joys help us take care of our mental health.
I agree. When we feel stressed or tired, a small, calm moment can help us feel better.
Sometimes, just sitting quietly for a few minutes can change how we feel.
Yes. It reminds us that we are okay. We don't always need to do more or be more.
Another thing I like about simple joys is that they help us feel grateful.
That's a great point. When we enjoy small things, we start to notice what we already have.
Fresh air, a warm drink, a safe place to sit.
These things may feel normal, but they are actually very valuable.
Simple joys also help us create balance.
Balance between work and rest, between thinking and feeling.
They remind us to slow down and take care of ourselves.
And everyone's simple joys are different.
Yes, there is no right or wrong simple joy.
What matters is how it makes you feel.
Calm, comfortable, relaxed.
So maybe today, we can all try to notice one small joy.
Just one moment to slow down.
Now it's your turn to reflect.
What is one simple joy that helps you feel better?
When do you enjoy it? And how does it make you feel?
Try to write 1-2 sentences using phrases like slow down, feel calm, or simple joy.
And share it with us in the comments. Now, it's time for your listening and speaking challenge.
This part will help you review what you learned and practice using English by yourself.
First, let's start with the listening challenge.
We invite you to listen to this episode again from the beginning.
This time, listen carefully for the simple joys we talked about.
For example, taking a slow walk, enjoying a quiet morning, drinking a warm drink, sitting quietly, enjoying fresh air.
Try to write down at least 3 activities you hear.
Also, listen for the feelings we describe.
Words like calm, peaceful, comfortable, relaxed, and present.
Now, let's move on to the speaking challenge.
Try to speak for 30 seconds to 1 minute.
Talk about one simple joy in your daily life.
You can use this simple structure. What is it? When do you enjoy it? How does it make you feel?
For example, my simple joy is drinking tea in the evening. I sit quietly and enjoy the moment. It helps me feel calm.
If you want a bigger challenge, try this.
Speak about 2 simple joys and compare them.
Or talk about one simple joy you want to enjoy more often.
And if you prefer writing, that's okay too.
Write a short paragraph in English. Describe your simple joy and why it matters to you.
You can write in your notebook or share it in the comments.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Simple words are enough.
The goal is to practice and express yourself.
Take your time. Speak slowly.
And most importantly, enjoy the moment.
All right, before we finish today's episode, let's take a moment to review what we talked about.
Yes, today's topic was simple joys. Small things in daily life that help us feel calm, comfortable, and happy.
First, I shared one of my simple joys.
You talked about taking a slow walk in the evening?
That's right. I like to walk slowly, breathe fresh air, and enjoy the quiet around me.
That simple habit helps you feel relaxed and forget about stress from the day.
Then, Anna shared her simple joy.
Yes, my simple joy is spending a quiet morning by the window with a warm drink.
You talked about sitting calmly, enjoying the moment, and starting the day slowly.
That small moment helps me feel peaceful and ready for the day.
We also talked about other simple joys.
Like drinking a warm drink, listening to soft music, taking short breaks, and watching the world go by.
We learned that simple joys don't need to be big or expensive.
They are often small, quiet, and easy to enjoy every day.
Now, let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases from today's episode.
Here are some key words and phrases you can use.
Simple joy, a small thing that makes you feel good.
Slow down, to move or live more slowly and calmly.
Enjoy the moment. To focus on what is happening now.
Feel calm, to feel relaxed and peaceful.
Take it easy, to relax and not rush.
Quiet moment, a short time with little noise or activity.
Fresh air, clean, natural air outside.
You can use these words to talk about your own life.
For example, my simple joy is taking a short walk and enjoying the fresh air.
Or, I like to slow down and enjoy the moment in the morning.
Try using these phrases in your speaking or writing practice.
The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll feel.
Simple words, real feelings.
That's what everyday English talk is all about. All right. That brings us to the end of today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed listening and learning with us.
Today we talked about simple joys, small moments that help us slow down and feel better in everyday life.
We hope this episode reminds you to notice the small, quiet things that bring calm and comfort to your day.
Remember, learning English doesn't have to be stressful.
You can take it slow, just like the simple joys we talked about today.
If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.
That really helps more people discover everyday English talk and practice English with us.
And don't forget, you can download the free PDF in the episode description.
It includes the full transcript, key vocabulary, and practice exercises.
Use it to review what you learned and keep practicing.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We're really happy you're here.
And remember,
Keep practicing English every day.
see you next time.
Bye.